Guys, if you are facing these types of error while sharing a folder to other computer, then I'm going to solve this very easily. Okay, there are 3 steps. Just follow. First, you have to press Windows plus R on the keyboard. Type here gpedit.msc. Okay, you have to offline this whole setting in the client PC, not server PC. Okay. Then after, the administrative templates. And here you can find our network. And after, go to the LAN and workstation. Here you can find out enable and second guest login. Just right click and click edit. Now that enabled. Okay, this will be the enable. Then go back. Now next setting is go to the Windows setting and here security, local policies, security option, and here you have to type in. Here is Microsoft Network and digital sign combination. Just right click, double click. Okay, you have to disable this, apply. Okay, and second also double click, click disable, click OK. This is the second step. The last step is right click and click on and here repeat it. Apply some setting. Go to the SQ local machine and enter software, policies, Microsoft, and Windows. And here you can find out LAN menu location. Click here, LAN menu location, and right click and choose the DW authenticated value and type here. Okay, click OK. Follow insecure start. Then you have to right click and click modify and choose the value 1. Hit OK. And after, just restart the PC and your problem will be 100% fixed. Okay guys, if this tutorial helped you to solve your problem, then let me know in the comment box guys. Share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.